Hello, my name is Susan Joya, and this is a Power BI dashboard I created for a company's point of sale system and the data that was pulled from said system. So, on the left hand side of our dashboard, we have various filters that are going to help us navigate for some of the graphs that we have. On the top of our dashboard, we have information for all of the data that was pulled from our system, such as the items that were sold, the profit we gained from selling all of these items, and then some more intricate information, such as user ID. So, let's say a customer came to the company and they wanted to know about a purchase that they had made recently. We could filter by that month, and ultimately, we can also drill down to know more about the day that that purchase was made on. We also have an order ID. So this is a good way to look at specific orders to see what items are being bought together. And we have product ID, which is just about the items themselves. So on our left hand side, let's say we wanted to only select items that you could buy at a grocery store. This would be, of course, a very limited grocery store, but we can select the bakery, beverages, some dairy, some fruits, some grains, and some meats. And if you see towards the center of our dashboard, a lot of our graphs have changed. We can see which times most of the items are purchased and as well as the revenue that was gained. So, for example, at 7 a.m., the most amount of items are purchased as well as the largest revenue is gained. That means we have some early shoppers for this company. We can see the categories that are in this grocery store, and we can also see the profit that has turned from these categories. And we can actually also see the amount that is being purchased in these categories. Over here, we can see the specific product that is being purchased and how much revenue we're gaining from this product. So let's say we only wanted to see this information for May. So in May, we can see that the product that was most purchased is wheat flour, and that is again corresponds with the fact that this is within our grains and staples category. Up here, we can see the product percent of our total revenue. So grains and staples make up almost 30% of our revenue for the month of May in our grocery items. And that is an example of how we can navigate through this dashboard. Thank you.